Hello and welcome back to Supercar. You might be wondering why we're not standing in front of a 1,000 horsepower exotic, or a screaming V10 or a hypercar. Today we're doing something completely different. Something nobody else would even think of doing. Because today, I'm gonna tell you how I built my own Dacia Bigster 2025 and what happened when I did. This isn't a typical car review. This is about the philosophy of a build, the choices you have to make, and the challenges you face. So hit that subscribe button right now to join our garage and get ready, because this story is a wild ride. Phase 1. Assembling the foundation. This isn't a build-it-yourself kit from a catalog. This is where the real work and the real surprises begin. The first step to any great build is the foundation, and for us, that meant the platform and the engine. When you're building a car from scratch, the chassis is everything. For our Bigster, we went with the CMF-B LS platform, which is the exact same base as the new third-generation Dacia Duster. This isn't just a random choice, it's a deliberate engineering decision that gives the Bigster its impressive dimensions, with a wheelbase of 2,700 millimeters and a total length of 4,570 millimeters. It's big on the inside, with spacious headroom, 24 centimeters of legroom, and a massive 677 liters of boot space, which means it's ready for any adventure right out of the box. Next, we had to choose the heart of the build, the powertrain. We had a few options, each one dictating the car's entire purpose. We could have gone with the mild hybrid 140 or the 4x4 mild hybrid 130, both offering a 10% reduction in fuel consumption. But for this build, we opted for the ultimate in efficiency and smart urban performance, the full hybrid 155 powertrain. This full hybrid system is a true game changer, allowing the car to operate in full electric mode up to 80% of the time in an urban setting, cutting fuel consumption by up to 40%. This choice isn't about raw horsepower, it's about creating an eco-smart vehicle that is both powerful and practical. The selection of this powertrain perfectly embodies the Dacia build philosophy, which focuses on providing robust and cool solutions. Phase 2. Crafting the cabin and ergonomics. Once the foundation was set, we moved to the part of the build where you truly make a car your own, the interior. And you know, this is where Dacia revealed its ultimate secret weapon for the DIY enthusiast. We started with the tech, sourcing a stunning 10-inch driver display and a 10.1-inch central multimedia touchscreen that's standard on all models. This wasn't about adding unnecessary gimmicks, it was about getting the essentials right. The car also features dual-zone automatic climate control with rear air vents, a panoramic opening sunroof, and an electric tailgate. All build choices aimed at maximizing comfort and convenience. The most critical part of this interior build, however, wasn't a screen or a seat. A YouClip accessory system. With 6 attachment points located throughout the cabin and the boot, this system is a masterstroke of pragmatic engineering. It allows you to mount a tablet holder, a storage pouch, or a cup holder without any tools. This is the very definition of a customizable project car, a vehicle that's a blank canvas for the owner's needs, not just a finished product. We also chose the extreme trim to get that cool, rugged look with rubber mats, copper accents, and even a refrigerated center console. This car's design philosophy is an extension of its build, focusing on durability and easy cleaning. We also made sure to incorporate the use of Starkle-registered trademark, a recycled, unpainted material used for the body protection. It's a pragmatic choice that's both durable and eco-smart, something any smart builder would appreciate. So, Phase 3. The unvarnished truths of the build. Every build, no matter how carefully planned, hits a wall. And our Bigster build was no different. This is where we faced the shocking truths and unexpected challenges that, honestly, you just can't afford to ignore. A genuine DIY project is about facing problems head-on and making tough choices. For our build, the first major issue was the Dacia Bigster's controversial 3-star safety rating. Now, for some, this would be a deal-breaker. But in the world of project cars, a rating is just one metric. This isn't a sign of poor engineering. It's a reflection of Dacia's core philosophy of keeping things simple to maintain affordability. We mitigated this by opting for the Journey trim and its advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, advanced emergency braking, and lane departure warning. Another challenge was the perceived unrefined nature of the powertrain and the cabin noise. Again, we didn't see these as problems but as trade-offs for the car's honest, no-frills design. A project car isn't about silent luxury, it's about the connection between the driver and the machine. And frankly, the engine noise is a reminder that you're driving a real mechanical car. We knew we were accepting certain acoustic trade-offs in exchange for unparalleled value, as our build prioritized ruggedness over quietness. This is a common part of any ambitious project. You make compromises for the overall vision. So after all the planning, the sourcing, and the unexpected challenges, what did we actually end up with? We didn't just build a Dacia Bigster, we built a philosophy on wheels. The Dacia Bigster 2025 is not a supercar in the traditional sense, but in its own right, it is a masterpiece of pragmatic engineering. It proves that you don't need a massive budget to build something truly special. It is a vehicle that embodies simplicity, functionality, and an undeniable commitment to value. This project taught us that true engineering genius isn't always about complexity or opulence. It's about getting the essentials right and building a car that serves its purpose flawlessly. The final product is a car that is spacious, versatile, and well-equipped for the modern driver. It might not turn heads with a V12 roar, but the Dacia Bigster turns heads for a far more compelling reason. It delivers exactly what it promises and nothing more. If this video gave you a new perspective on what makes a car great, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's car shopping. And don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more unbiased automotive insights and essential buyer's guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. With